is your own self, you, I, not the wall, the one who is sitting in the drawing room. We are talking about that. Just imagine that person is sitting in the drawing room, start thinking that he is the wall. Who are you? I am the wall. So it will be so difficult to tell him that you are not the wall, you are not this outer gate, you are not the wall, you are not the various rooms, you are the one who is sitting inside the room. So this Prabhu, Atma, he neither creates sense of doership, nor does he create any action for anyone in this world. Oh, he must be the giver of the result of action. He says no. Na karma phala sanyogam, nor does it give the result of action. Atma is not a giver of the result of action also. Hare Bapre, I heard that he is Ishvara as a giver of result of action. No. The Atma, pure self, is neither the doer of any action, nor creator of any action, means situation, nor the giver of the result of action. Karma phala sanyogam. Karma is done and then phala and uska sanyog banane wala. He says no, he is not. Then how does all action happen? Svabhavastu pravartate. It's a very powerful statement. He says Bhagavan, everything functions according to its own svabhav, according to its own nature. Like again go back to computers, we have the computer, we have the programming, and we have the electricity which gives the power to that computer. Without that electrical power, the computer cannot function. It will be dead. It is very intelligent, everything is there, but it is dead. So that power makes the computer alive. Right? Power makes that, like we have the power in the battery or in our current and all, that when it touches that computer, then computer becomes alive. Tang, 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 it opens up, it starts smiling and all the things opens up. And you, what you put on that first page, no? Desktop. Your desktop? वो आपके पिक्चर वो आता है ना? Wallpaper and all start coming, smiling now. Now wallpaper is not electricity. If you look at electricity, no wallpaper is there. But because of the electricity, the computer became alive. When it became alive, all its functions started functioning. And according to its internal function, all that wallpaper and everything came. And it functions according to its own inbuilt programming. But the electricity remains there, blessing each and every step of its action. If the electricity withdraws its energy, the computer drops down dead. Electricity is Atma. The programming in all is like our mind and intellect with all its samskars. And the outer expression, the window and all which creates is your action towards the world. So, the electricity, have mistaken myself to be the window, or to be the program, or to be one of the features of the computer. So again and again the electricity is told that you are not the computer, you are not the program, you are that pure electricity. By your very presence, the computer is functioning. Try to understand yourself as you are. That is my nature. It's not that I have to become Atma, but I am that. What to do? If I was something else, then I would have been different. But you are that pure self. So the realized master is one who is identified with this self and knows that all actions outwardly are happening according to svabhav. Svabhavastu pravartate. See, just imagine, like we have this life on earth, but other places we have not found life yet. But all the activities are happening everywhere. Who is doing it? According to nature. Which the laws that scientists and all are finding? Or different laws, gravitational law, and so many laws are there, and pull and push, and relativity theory, and so many theories, and the whole nature functions. Even now they are trying to find out different laws which explains everything. Theory about everything. String theory and so, what do you call that? Quantum mechanics and this and that. So many things are there. These are laws of nature, and according to these laws, the world functions. These laws are there within our body also. Mind also functions according to the laws. Intellect also functions according to the laws. Thinking also happens according to the laws. The great technique in the scripture is to come out of this, all this bondage, and realize our own self. Don't get caught up in this natural process of this world, but you can come out of it. So svabhavastu pravartate, everything happens according to its own, so like autopilot. The plane takes off and then the whole thing is put on autopilot, automatically it moves. The pilot just sits there, relax, take a cup of coffee, and they just, I think so. And the whole thing goes according to the autopilot. Similarly, the life goes in autopilot. Now when I say I have decided, this I is not you, it is ahankar. When you say I am feeling like that, that is mind. I have decided I want to understand this, that's the intellect. All this will function in their own respective way, without Atma interfering with it. So I am that pure Atma, untouched by all these matters, untouched by Prakriti. In my very presence, all activities happen. So this great realization, when a person gains it, he is called an enlightened being. So more about this enlightened being we will study in class tomorrow. पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति।